Photoshop tutorial from Hardwork IT. Create new document. Select File tab on main menu. Click New. The new document window will open. Recents tab. Quickly access files, templates, and items that you have recently accessed. Save tab. Save your own custom presets for reuse and quickly access them later. You can see several categories on document window: photo, print, art and illustration, web, mobile, film and video. Orientation. Specify a page orientation for the document. You can select landscape or portrait. Background contents. Specify a background color for the document. You can see several background colors. Thank you for your watching. Subscribe now.